I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. He gets up and makes his bed. He gets up and makes his bed. I stretch my arms after waking up. I stretch my arms after waking up. She brushes her teeth twice a day. She brushes her teeth twice a day. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. He takes a shower every morning. He takes a shower every morning. They get dressed quickly for school. They get dressed quickly for school. She combs her hair in front of the mirror. She combs her hair in front of the mirror. We eat breakfast together. We eat breakfast together. I drink coffee every morning. I drink coffee every morning. He cooks dinner for his family. He cooks dinner for his family. I boil eggs for breakfast. I boil eggs for breakfast. She fries vegetables in a pan. She fries vegetables in a pan. They bake cookies on weekends. They bake cookies on weekends. I cut the vegetables before cooking. I cut the vegetables before cooking. We clean the house every Sunday. We clean the house every Sunday. He sweeps the floor with a broom. He sweeps the floor with a broom. I mop the kitchen floor after dinner. I mop the kitchen floor after dinner. She washes the dishes after eating. She washes the dishes after eating. He dries the dishes with a towel. He dries the dishes with a towel. I pack my bag before leaving. I pack my bag before leaving. We leave home at 8 a.m. We leave home at 8 a.m. He goes to school by bike. He goes to school by bike. I drive to work every morning. I drive to work every morning. She rides the bus to the city. She rides the bus to the city.